What's up, guys? DJ's gonna give me some males and females. He's gonna give me a female. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna allow this to go around the tree one time. So then that way when he's gotta come take it down, he don't gotta bring this ladder out. Yeah, and we can just throw it over the branch and then we can go that way. So normally we don't hang stuff for other people, but today she was nice and it's like a $2,500 job. Today we came back because we had to do 2 trees, so we decided to hang these up for her. Yes, we did run power over and to get it off the main line. So this way everything will come on and off with these lights. So normally I tell you not to hang customers' lights or hang customer stuff, but this is one that we did. Sometimes it's one of the things of just doing one more thing, right? When you just do one more thing, a lot of times that might be the thing of what's going to bring you back to next year or the next year. Might be bringing the garbage can back to there, right? Just do one more thing, and that way it will help you in growing your business, because then people will realize that, hey, Jason is here to help me, and that is my goal. I'm here to help you too to grow your business and be successful. Hope you have a great day.